Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have this 4-pack of pool noodles, just to kind of give you an idea. Nothing more than a pool noodle. And this one's in black, and I'm actually going to use it to put as some padding up in an attic area, so I'm not constantly banging my head on the wood rafters, I guess. So another versatile use of these. And let's just open up the pack and I can show you how they are. So that is that, and I like this because it is actually split. Let me get a close-up view on that. So easily you can put this on any type of corner, like a beam or somewhere that you need some extra protection. And I guess, and again, it's a pool noodle as well, so you can use it to float around in the pool or do whatever you need to. And to give you an idea, so the length of this is something I was curious too. So it is exactly 52 inches. Kind of give you a close-up on that side. So like 52 inches long. And they are just about 2 3/8 across, and again, I would imagine that's going to vary depending on how you use them, but I like the fact that they were already split so I can put these wherever I need them. Anyhow, Brian from Garage Mahal with your pool noodle. Be safe out there. So just to give you an idea, so this is my attic space that we have, and some low beams, especially when you first get up here, kind of super close, but I figured that would be a great way because I am always banging my head on that stuff. So that's basically our ship's ladder going up, and then that's going to protect our heads from bumping. So need some more, but what a great start. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. Definitely be safe out there.